Hi riders! Welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about new 2023 Honda CBR250RR. So make sure to watch the full video. Honda has launched the CBR250RR, a sporty motorcycle, the latest version of the full fairing. Officially in Indonesia, although the overview of the design of the motorcycle will be similar to the previous version, but it has changed some important details. Many points ever, let's go see it together. The new version of the Honda CBR250RR. There will be a change in the total dimensions of the hull. Slightly wider than before, and the appearance has been changed to look more aggressive under the theme Speedy Shape, with the adjustment of the front, side, and rear fairing, making the car more stable when driving. And the bike also comes with emergency lights. In addition, the bike, it also has a quick shifter system for adding gears without clutching. In the top model SP and in the engine section, it comes in a 250cc two-cylinder DOHC 8-valve engine that delivers maximum horsepower, 42 PS at 13,000 revolution per minute, and a maximum torque of 25 Nm at 11,000 revolution per minute, can take just 8.65 seconds to run from start to 200 meters, and the bike has a high top speed, up to 175 kilometers per hour, which is a great power for motorcycles in this class. The new version of the Honda CBR250RR in Indonesia will have a starting price of around 5,009.41 USD, while the top model like the SP will cost around 5,280.19 USD together. There is a bike of this model for sale as well, but it will be different versions that are different in some details. It will be imported from Japan. The selling price is 6,742.39 USD. What do you think about the new Honda CBR250RR? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.